Today we're going to be discussing about vine diseases. In vine diseases, the first disease and one of the more greatest disease that is there is phylloxera. Phylloxera is basically a insect which normally goes to the roots of the plant and destroys the complete roots of the plant, and the entire plant gets destroyed. It was a very great disease for which there was no treatment, but the treatment today that has been found is we graft Vitis vinifera with Vitis labrusca or Vitis rupestris. The second plant we are going to be discussing, or the second plant disease that we are going to discuss, is known as powdery mildew, which forms patches of mold on the grapes and leaves, and causes the grapes to split and break. Treatment is copper sulfide. Then we've got mildew. Mildew develops in very damp and wet areas. It's a very common vine disease, but noticeable when yellow patches appear on the leaves and the leaves completely wither. The plants get devoid of nutrition. The treatment is basically spraying with copper sulfate. Then we've got grey rot. Grey rot can be good or it can be bad. In most conditions of the year, for grey rot to occur, for most of the conditions, in humid conditions, a grey mold occurs on the plant pigmentation, which gives an unpleasant taste to the vine. The treatment is anti-rot spray. Then we've got Purricha nobile, also known as noble rot. Noble rot basically is known, the same fungus is known as Botrytis cinerea. This basically completely reduces the water content in the plant and produces sweet wines. And we've got a basic disease which is known as couloir. Couloir happens when there is a soil deficiency or too much rain or too uneven temperature. Treatment: use good fertilizers. And we've got chlorosis. Chlorosis is when basically occurs when there is too much of limestone in the soil, causing yellowing, even death of the plant. Treatment: iron sulfate. And we've got butterfly or moths which pierce the grape and destroy the grapes within hours. They're known as Pyralis, Indemus and Cochylus. Treatment: spray with insecticides. Then we've got frost. Frost is especially happening basically in spring. Frost tends the formation of the buds, which causes the yields of the particular grapes to reduce. Treatment: fire and heat, spraying with water. Then we've got hail. Hail is a particular danger which normally occurs when the grape skins are very ripe and very thin. Grapes are very vulnerable to break. Hail can puncture the skins of the grape and ruin the crops. Treatment: only treatment you can do is you can wait for the particular plant not to happen. The treatment is it should not happen. Pray that it does not happen.